Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great week. Now, we are working on the bus today, but we start the video off in the bus that we live in at the minute because we've got snow. Let me show you what we've got. Let me sweep you around. Ready? Snow! And lots of it. Now, I went to bed at midnight and there was no snow. And now it's 8 in the morning and it's absolutely covered. I'm not quite sure how the roads are looking, so we'll have a look very shortly and see how we're getting on. The kids are just coming out to have a look. It's quite deep, it's over the safety crocks, but the bus is looking nice and toasty. We've had the heating on all night. It's about 20 degrees there at the minute. It's dropped a little bit this morning. It was 26. 20 degrees is still comfortable. As they are, yeah, very pretty. It's alright till it starts freezing and melting. What do you think, Phoebes? Good. Is it good? How deep is it? Quite deep. Oh yes, definitely a couple of inches. What you got? Big ass snowball. You're not chucking that at me, are you? Shall we look how bad the road is? Yeah, come on then. Let's see what the main road's like. This car's moving up and down it, so it can't be that bad. Let's have a butcher's. We're on a bus route here on the main road. So we'll see how it's looking. It is still snowing. Oh, it's very slushy. Let's have a look. Ooh. Let's have a look. Oh, it's in my eyes. Oh. Oh yes. I'll spin you around. But that's the main road. It's definitely drivable, but it's certainly coming down. Need to put some socks on because my feet are getting cold. All fun and games. What do you think, Summer?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it? Summer's got a cold at the minute, so she's not. But you're out in the snow.
I've got some snow in my shoe.
But yeah, we'll go around, get the bus started, let it warm up before we move, and go around to the other bus and see how we get on. So when it is this cold, we put the engine on cold start, which basically opens the valves up a little bit more to let it start. So just push this button underneath here and actually give the bus a little bit of a boost for when it's starting, when it's cold. It will smoke a lot more, but it will make sure the bus starts first time without any issues. Let's get in, get warmed up and get the engine on. Ooh, we just checked all the coolant and the antifreeze in this job, it's not frozen up, so that's always a good thing. Okay, we've got a bit of gas there, ready? The engine started, just got a little bit of throttle on, just to keep her idling. In about a minute I take it off and then it should idle fine. It's a little bit more smoke than normal out the window. That's simply because we put cold start on. Come off that now. There you go, it's idling. Right, we'll let her be for 10 minutes, let her warm up, then we'll take a slow trip round to the shed. Okay, we're on the snow now. We're not spinning, so we're alright.
Yeah.
Nice and steady. See how those footmarks are called up to the road?
Yeah.
Right, there is a slight incline here, so if we can keep her rolling, we will. It's clear to my left.
Clear this way.
Yeah, clear enough to my right. That's stop it. There we go. Beautiful. it's open.
I must turn it off.
Yeah, you can do. And we're in the shed, all parked up. Oh! The gates are like a snowplow trying to open them, but it is absolutely covered. So we'll get sorted here and then crack on with the bus. Summer! What are we gonna do?
We're gonna build a snowman.
Say what?
Snowman.
What are we gonna do with a snowman?
Huh?
What are you gonna do with a snowman?
We're gonna make one.
You're gonna make one in that snow there. Poppy's just getting her wellies on. So how's the bus been in the snow?
Good.
Yeah, is it cold?
No.
No?
It's warm.
It's warm. That's good, right then. It's a lot of snow.
Yep.
Bus is nice and toasty still. Right then. Are you gonna make a snowman?
Yeah.
Should we put on time lapse?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at the space. Right, it is absolutely bitter up here today. The kids had some fun in the snow. We're literally going to get the side frames off, which is all this blue stuff down here, to expose the frame both sides, and that will be it for today, I think. See if we find any nasty surprises. So we are working inside, so it is very dark. But we need to take off the trims. Now, I think these are the trims that we took off upstairs when we did the upstairs windows, and I believe they just popped off. It says, fingers crossed. Can you remember, Nicole?
I think they do, personally. Everything's probably glued.
This feels like it's got some glue on it. We better try and keep these though, because
Yeah, they're good to have, aren't they?
yeah.
Oops.
Oh, yeah, that's got something on it.
Don't be breaking any windows.
Don't want to break any windows. What we're trying to get off is this stuff though, like that. We can put it out from underneath. That'd be good. Here we go.
Way!
So that, right. They're not going back on.
No,
At
we're
all.
not keeping those.
Now, this is plied.
Oh, that's one way to do it.
That's one way to do it. Now, some of this ply looks alright, but again, it's covered in the carpet, which we don't want. And there is some rust there.
Oh,
Okay, that's not as bad as I thought it was.
are you sure?
Yeah, that's pretty good to be fair. If you just hold that a second, I'll take this out. In half. Put it on the floor for them. So my main concern was the frame here. Obviously there's been a bit of water coming down it and she's gone crusty, but it's solid. It's not.
Well,
solid.
there's some rust coming up over there as well as you
Where?
banged it.
Was there? We'll have a look down there in a minute. Let's have a look.
Oh, just to make a mess.
So as we look at that, yeah, it's a bit soft.
Yeah.
But that's solid. Just that bit there, which we can be repaired easy enough, which is good. Get the light in there. But yeah, we can easy enough fix that. That's not too much of a stress. Underneath the windows aren't great, but again, it's solid. It's not falling apart. And the actual frame of the bus is good. which is the main concern. Of course, she had some rust again. More electrics.
They'll be for the radiators, won't they?
Oh, look at that. So what that's for?
Side
All the
lights?
side lights.
Oh.
So we'll strip it and make sure they're all good before we put stuff back in.
What's this insulation here?
Some wool insulation.
Fire hazard.
No,
Huh?
no.
Oh,
Some more wood. And we've got some rust
there.
here again. On
There.
the window.
That is a lot of rust.
Yep. Oh, it's not coming out.
Did you want your hammer?
No. Oh, it's rotten. It's completely gone.
Oh my goodness. Are you going to show the camera?
That's good. On the plus side, this window is coming out, so we can address this. We can cut it and redo it. But this is again the things you're not going to find if you don't take stuff out. That's completely gone. To the point where I can't even get this out.
That's the bottom of the window, so pull that. Don't pull that because it might pull something out.
Yeah. So that's the bottom of the window. So again, that's going to need window out, which was going to come out anyway.
Welding and
And then
a new bit in.
a new bit in. Because that is like terrible. Okay, that's the first bad bit we've really found on the frame. I knew it bowed because you could see the bow in it yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's do the other side, see where we're at. Oh, I think a sneaky feeling this side's going to be the same. So let's have a butcher's. Use this to get underneath this.
Okay, that bit looks okay. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon.
Yeah. It's crusty. Yeah, this is bad.
Oh my goodness.
The whole lot's done.
Okay. Is it behind that partition?
Yeah, that one does. Screw drill. So as we look at these sort of windowsills and this down section, this is by far the worst rust we've had so far. It's eaten away the whole panel there. But what is good is that on this down strut, it is solid, which is my main concern with the structural stuff. And down the bottom is alright. It's just very crusty. But underneath the windowsills have completely gone. That one's definitely going to have to come out along with the other side to have a look to see what we can get done. Yeah, it's not great, but it could be worse. Just a bit more of work. that we need to look at to get sorted. So as much as taking all the stuff out, checking the wiring's been a great thing, definitely the right thing to do, taking them seats out was definitely the right decision as well, to be able to see the framework. And I think that's why it's important that we do expose all of it to make sure what we've got is definitely good to work off. Obviously the upstairs we've done 50% of it, but it'd be interesting to see what the front's like underneath them windows. And we'll see how we're getting. With it being cold, that's all we're doing today. It's absolutely Baltic, so thank you for watching. If you've not liked and subscribed, do that, and we'll see you on the next one.